Hey Daniela, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and requesting this free video. We did talk about you being a franchisee and some of the constraints that you have, but we'll still go over some of the things that you could do so that you can get more of those organic leads. 70% of organic stem from the website, so it is important the website be optimized. Um, having said that, I know that each franchise is different. Some will allow you to blog or add content. Some won't. Um, and so it really depends on your franchise. If you're allowed to add content, then great, because you can actually dial in this content a little bit better so that you can be ranking for your service areas. Google likes a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content focused around those local buyer intent keywords, which are the words people are actively searching for the services that you offer. And you do have a variety of services that people may need your help for, so it would be good to be able to rank in your communities for those services. Um, Franchises generally aren't great about helping the franchisees to rank in their communities. So you got separate pages for the counties that you service, which is good. You got separate pages for your different services, which is good. So yeah, if you were able to change out any content or add content just so that you could get those keywords in there and be found, that would be optimal. Because Google has robots called crawlers that go and index all of your pages. They pull the content for the keywords so they can index you for those keywords and put you in front of your customers. One of your top competitors in mold remediation in your area is Iowa Mold Removal. They don't have a good website. Very basic. They're missing a lot of points. Doesn't even look like, I mean, they might have them, but it doesn't look like they have separate pages for their services, which is critical and being found. They're missing quite a bit. So these guys would actually be super easy for you guys to outrank if you were able to work on that content strategy, but also on the back end through search engine optimization. So we'll go over that real quick. Here we have a little bit of a workaround if you cannot do anything about what's on page. So this is Ahrefs. It helps to analyze how your website performs. You have a 24 for your domain, which is pretty good, especially with only 85 backlinks. So you want to have more backlinks than your top competitors for each of your services and in each of your service areas. So you're going to have probably quite a few competitors with all the variety of services and the variety of communities you service. So you will want more, but not just more in quantity, but also in quality. You have to have better quality than your competitors. You do have 398 keywords that you've been indexed for, but you're only getting 15 people on average to your website per month. If we look at your keywords real quick, you only have one keyword that is on the first page of Google. So if you were to hit the backlinks really hard, you should be able to rank for these other ones as well. Your competitor, as I said, their poor website, they only have a 1.7. They only have 13 backlinks. They only have 52 keywords, and they're still getting more traffic than you guys. So that says quite a bit. And there is considerable amount of traffic for the area that you're servicing. So you guys are both missing out on quite a bit. But they are ranking higher in the mold remediation than you guys are. So, and that is because of how their backlinks are placed for those keywords. Your backlinks, you want to focus on getting do follow backlinks. What a backlink is when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant these backlinks are to your services, the more authority it's going to give you and the more power to help you rank. When they are do follows like these are, you actually share the power of these high ranking sites, which help you to boost up faster in Google. And then it's really important that you tie these backlinks into the keywords that you want to rank for, not just for your homepage, but your service pages and service area pages, so that you can be found for each of your services, but also in, oh, sorry, I don't know why it's doing that. Not just for your services, but your service areas. So you can be found not just for your services, but in each of the communities for the services that you offer. And if we're looking at just this page real quick, all of these links are going to your homepage. And I'm not really seeing any buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords people are actively searching for the services you offer. So trauma cleaning services, okay, but that is actually a national because you don't have any location attached to it. So since you're not servicing nationally, we need to stick to the local keywords, which one are going to be easier for you to rank, and two will help you to get found faster. So this, if you can't work on your content, this is going to be probably one of the biggest factors for you, is really working on your backlinks and the type of backlinks that you get. Now, the other thing that you can dial in is this Google Map Pack or Google My Business. 30% of people come directly to the maps, and they don't go any further. So if you are not in the top 3 for each of your service areas and your relevant keywords, you're sending all those leads to your competition. So in order to be in the top 3, there's several factors, but the most important are citations, which is the name of a business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, Yellow Pages, etc. And so you're going to need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow the tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for your relative keywords and in your service areas with the keywords. I hope that you were able to find this video helpful and that you'll be able to apply some of these tips so that you're going to be able to get more of those organic leads. I would really love to get some feedback on what you thought of the video. And if you need any help getting any of this stuff done, go ahead and reach out to us at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.